Hey everybody, Sam back once again. Oh yes, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can carry unlock your brand new iPhone 12 mini. Okay, so it's a very straightforward video for you today. The company I'm using is theunlockingcompany.com. The link is down below. I have used them in the past as well. All you need to do is go to your phone, obviously unlock it, go to your dialer. So you want to go to your little phone button there, go to the dialer, and in here, all you want to do is type *#06#, or for my American friends or other parts of the world, *#06#. You're going to get these numbers, and this is your device info. And on here, you've got your thing that's called imei. You've also got imei2. Ignore the second one. The first number is what you're going to need. So either write it down, keep this on your screen, take a screenshot, whatever's easier, but make sure you save that number. What we're going to do now is go to the website and I'm going to show you what you need to do with that number. Okay? Let's jump over. Okay, so here we are on the website on theunlockingcompany.com. Very straightforward. All you need to do is click your manufacturer. So obviously today we're doing the iPhone 12 mini. So click on here and then scroll down to Apple, as you can see there. Click on that. And then your model, well, as we said, it's the iPhone 12 mini. So click that bad boy there. Click unlock now and it will take you to the next page. Okay, so we are on now step 2. And as you can see here, it is to unlock the iPhone 12 mini. Now what it wants to know is where was the phone purchased, which country. So in my case, obviously I'll be putting United Kingdom. But let's say you get yours in the United States, click the United States. If you bought it in Brazil, put Brazil. Basically, wherever you purchase the device, make sure you click that one. So obviously for me, I will click United Kingdom. And then you select your carrier. So for myself, we're going to go with EE again today. But if you're in America, you could put, let's say, T-Mobile, AT&T, just as a quick example for you. So an example, click EE for myself. You want to click next again. Okay, and this is the third section. And in this section, you're going to be providing the IMEI number. Remember at the beginning of the video, I told you to write that number down or just keep it nice and safe. Okay, you're going to use that in a minute. So just really quickly, as you can see, we're going to be unlocking an iPhone 12 mini. In my case, locked to the EE network. So stick in your IMEI number there, put your full name, your email address, and if you want to put your contact number, you can. It's an average of 1 to 15 days for it to arrive, and the price will be above it for you there. So at that point, you want to click order now. I'm just going to fill my details in and I'll see you on the next page. Okay, and here's the final section. This is the confirm and payment. So once again, just to confirm, you are going to be purchasing your unlock, in this case for an iPhone 12 mini. It's going to tell you the network you're going to be unlocking it. Make sure the country is also correct. And the IMEI number, make sure that matches identically. Because if it doesn't, this is not going to work. Also, it's got your email address and your full name. And if you want to provide a telephone number, you can do as well. At this point, it's going to show you your price underneath it, and then you can actually convert it to your own currencies to get a rough estimate of what it's going to be. And once again, the actual average time for delivery is between 1 and 15 days. So stick in your card details here, click order now, you'll receive an email, and once you've got that email, it'll tell you what to do, but I'm going to tell you what to do anyway on the next part of the video. Okay, we'll see you back at the phone. Okay, so welcome back. Now this is the easiest part. You've put in your order, you've received your email to confirm it's been done. All you need to do now is put in your new SIM card for the carrier that it wasn't locked to, and voila, Bob's your uncle, unless he's your cousin. So yeah, all you need to do is on the phone, go to the little SIM area there, stick it in that. So just wang it in, he says. So stick that in there. Obviously, take that out. All you want to do now is put in the SIM card for the network that it wasn't locked to. Okay, so in this case, slap it in there like that. Pop it in. Then what should happen on the phone? And there you go, as you can see. It's got a full bars, and job done. And there we go. Welcome to visual voicemail. Look, cancel. Okay, anyway, that's just telling me that it's now on a Vodafone network. It's now got a Vodafone SIM card in there. And that's it. That is how easy it was. Okay, your iPhone 12 mini is now fully unlocked. What that means, you can now use this phone on any carrier worldwide. Again, as long as it's going to be GSM to GSM, which the world pretty much uses apart from some parts in America. But let's say if you are on AT&T in America, you now come to the UK, you want to use your phone, use it over here, no problem. If you want to go to the Philippines, job done, no problem at all. It just works. And that's it. If you have any questions with regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. You can hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. It is very much appreciated. And go on, subscribe. It's free. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, you won't see me, but you'll see these puppies, and you'll hear this voice in my next video. Cheers, everyone.